Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, bi'idhnillahi ta'ala, we're going to be continuing with our Nahu and Sarf classes. So our grammar and morphology classes. In our first lesson, we took the dhama'ir, just ana nahnu, yani we, I, etc. In our second class, we took the possessive pronouns. So for example, ana plus kitab, how do I say my book? It becomes kitabi. After that, we took the dhama'ir with past tense verbs. So for example, ana plus dhahaba, which is idhhabtu. And then we took the dhama'ir with present tense verbs, which is for example, ana plus yadhhabu, which is idhhabu. And today, bi'idhnillahi ta'ala, we're going to be moving on to the command form. So we're going to be moving on to the command form of verbs. So we'll be looking at anta, anti, أنتما, أنتم, أنتن. So anta, anti, أنتما, أنتم, and أنتن. So how do we say to somebody go? So we're going to be using the same verb يذهب or ذهب. So how do we make it into the imperative form with all of these pronouns? Starting off with anta, we would say just idhhab, idhhab. Anti, we would say idhhabi, idhhabi. So you add a ya at the end. For أنتما, we would say idhhaba, we'd add an alif at the end. Idhhaba for go, that's for two people, male or female. And then أنتم is idhhabu, idhhabu. And for أنتن, it's idhhabna. أنتن is idhhabna. So it's idhhab, that's for one man, idhhab, and then it's idhhabi for one woman, and it's idhhaba for two people, male or female, and it's idhhabu for a group of males, and it's idhhabna for a group of females. Idhhabu, it can be a mixed group also, as previously mentioned. Bi'idhnillahi ta'ala, in our next class, we're going to be moving on to some basic grammar. So please revise these videos, memorize everything within them, and then when you're ready, move on to the next video. If you have any questions, like always, please let me know in the comments, and bi'idhnillahi ta'ala, I will answer as soon as possible. Also, fill out the link in order to get a copy of today's lesson, and I'll see you in the next one. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.